The silent pulse of space, unveiling the top 10 secrets reshaping the cosmos in 2025. Welcome to Science Decoded, where myths meet science, hidden places reveal their secrets, and every truth comes with a twist. From ancient legends to cutting-edge discoveries, we're here to decode the mysteries that shape our world and beyond. So fasten your curiosity seatbelt. The journey starts now. The stars. They're not just twinkling lights in a vast, empty void. They're like clues, remnants of an ancient puzzle that scientists and dreamers are racing to solve. But what if I told you that right now, beyond Earth's embrace, in the cold, silent vacuum, a revolution is happening? It's transforming space not into some far-off fantasy, but a very real and potentially dangerous new frontier. Come closer. Let me paint a picture. Imagine a place where the very fabric of space is being bent and reshaped, not by astronauts in bulky suits, but by robots, the silent architects. In 2025, space robotics is so much more than robotic arms on satellites. These machines build, they repair, they even manufacture vital components right there, far from Earth. Imagine machines assembling spacecraft in orbit, crafting instruments as delicate as spider silk and as strong as diamonds. This isn't just science fiction anymore. It's real. It's happening now, and it's changing how we reach for the stars. And it's not just the machines. Think about the satellites, thousands of them weaving an invisible web around our planet. Satellite data analytics has become a powerful oracle, revealing secrets about the climate's subtle shifts, but also hidden security risks and commercial opportunities that used to be shrouded in darkness. Every gigabit transmitted, every piece of data analyzed, pulls back the curtain on Earth's pulse and beyond into space weather, cosmic radiation, and even the geopolitical tensions flowing through orbital corridors. But here's the catch, and it's a big one. With all this opportunity comes chaos, space debris, rogue shards of metal, forgotten satellites, all spinning dangerously in crowded orbits. This cosmic junk is a threat to every mission, disrupting the fragile dance of progress and destruction. But there's hope. A new army of tech warriors is fighting back, deploying space debris management solutions that might just save our path forward in the stars. Close your eyes for a moment. Can you hear the faint crackle of quantum whispers? Space-based quantum communication, once a far-off dream, is now becoming the backbone of an ultra-secure cosmic network. These communication lines, encoded within particles floating in the vacuum, are nearly impossible to eavesdrop on. In 2025, these aren't just experiments, they're emerging realities, promising bulletproof data links that could redefine how nations protect themselves and how future explorers survive extended voyages into deep space. And somewhere against the endless dark, the sun's energy is being captured again. Not on rooftops or in deserts, but directly in space itself. Space-based solar power is on the verge of a breakthrough, pulling the sun's energy and sending it back to Earth with incredible efficiency. Imagine endless energy, but floating miles above our atmosphere, untouchable, unstoppable. This could rewrite the entire fossil-fueled chapter of human history, while dark power struggles rage on below. While electric cars battle traffic here, the propulsion technologies of 2025 whisper of something darker, faster. Plasma propulsion, ion drives, and nuclear thermal engines that could shrink months-long journeys to Mars into mere weeks or even days. These aren't just better rockets, they're portals to deeper space, cracks in the cosmic veil where humanity might finally cross thresholds previously thought impossible. And in this race, every microchip matters. Semiconductors designed specifically for the space environment. They're tough, resistant to storms of cosmic rays, temperature extremes, and the vacuum's brutal bite. These tiny circuits are the hidden craftsmen of space tech survival. They're the quiet engines powering everything from the simplest sensors to the most sophisticated AI onboard future spacecraft, ensuring not a single secret is lost to the void. But here's the secret I want you to take away tonight, and I say this with a shiver. In-space manufacturing is quietly dismantling the old rules. No longer does everything have to be built on Earth and launched. Now factories are orbiting silently, creating life support systems, hulls, and even entire spacecraft components from raw materials found in space itself. Asteroid metals and moon dust turned into the building blocks of humanity's cosmic future. And all of this innovation is happening under the protection of a rapidly intensifying defense layer. Space-based defense and security systems are becoming critical. Satellites no longer serve just civilian eyes. They're eyes that watch, warn, and if necessary, strike in a theater where traditional borders dissolve into fluxing orbits. These trends are weaving a cosmic web, complex, beautiful, and yes, terrifying. Startups like Astrobotic with their cutting-edge robotics, or ICE-EY, whose satellites capture Earth's every trembling move day and night. They're not just businesses, they're pioneers, crafting the next chapters of a universe that refuses to be silent. So, as we stand on the edge of what 2025 promises, more launches breaking records, new planets within reach, and technologies blending more seamlessly with the infinite dark, ask yourself this. When the dust of millions of suns finally settles, what secrets will remain uncovered? What truths will remain hidden in the black? And which will illuminate our relentless journey deeper into the great unknown? And are we ready to face what we find there?